numerology we will take this basic method. In basic method, what we teach, I told you, every number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 26 letter number and simple method. Here, what is the lucky number of the person? 2. 2 means what? Moon. Ajay Singh?
Yes, sir.
Means moon. And 0, what I told you, always you consider 0. Hello, class में
एडिट मार देना, एडिट मार देना। नहीं एडिट आ जाओ, पॉज नहीं होता इसमें।
So moon. Here what I told you, behind 0, I always tell you, don't neglect it. Whether it is a Pluto type also, they have a person have a capacity, or otherwise it is a Saturn. I always told you. Now you found this in the planetary position. You go and see these positions. Moon. Moon is a stronger lucky number. So it is placed in 9 and in which sign? Leo. Again we will see Pluto. Where it is placed?
Pluto
Pluto is Neeraj. Where it is placed?
देखो बोलो आप बता देखोगे क्या
Pluto is in 4th house. Pluto is in 4th house and Saturn is in 7th house. Saturn is a Gemini. Pluto is ruled by
Scorpio.
Scorpio. See its own sign.
Yes.
If these planets are powerful in the lucky number, they are also powerful in the placement of astrology. Then again we will go further. Destiny number 30. Here I have not taken individually. Why? Because I have already found 13 number people are saying unlucky number. Pura world say it is a unlucky number, but I never say 13 is a unlucky. 13 is a powerful number because in 13 is a what actually what will happen. Why people are saying 13 is a unlucky? You understand what? Here what happened? Sun and Jupiter, when they both are together, then what? Sun gives more ego. Always 31, you can reverse it. 31 when Jupiter will come ahead. When Jupiter is a guru, means it has a maturity. So here what happened? When the ego will come first and then maturity level, means people jump on the conclusions very fast. They take decision very fast and sometimes their decisions are destructive. Because of why? Ego. They should not take others people advice. Understood? So little but even I find even this person is also egoist. Because his Lagna is a Scorpion and Scorpion you know very well. They are egoistic. And see they are also fast decision taker. So Scorpios another rule Pluto it is on center and another ruler is what? Mars. And Mars it is on the 9th house with the moon. Means he is already fast decision taker person. Because I don't know this person. Afterwards you people tell me whoever bring this chart means he is very fast in decision. Means sometimes we will tell this hyperactive. Because 20 also 0 is there. Here is also what is coming? 1 and 3 ego plus and maturity level little less. But still it is very small. It is born in 2002. Further I take 4 number. Herschel and Rahu. You see Chandra is making aspect with the third house what? Herschel. 1 minute. Third house, whenever Herschel, third house is for what? Subconscious mind. And subconscious mind and Chandras, they both are aspecting. Because of this, how much old now this person is? Hardly 11 years old. But he can handle the computer like this. He can. ready to prepare his project on the computer. You see, it is not new because nowadays everybody are doing. But everybody is, I saw so many people and so many child from 8 and 9 years onwards, they have no interested in computer, but they are interested in computer games. This person is also playing game, but he can make the project because he think very far. Because Herschel is a higher intellectual sign, and it is in which sign? Capricorn. Herschel is a Capricorn sign. Herschel is in which sign?
Aquarius.
Aquarius. See, its own sign. See, whatever planet are powerful, they are in own sign also. So this is the wonderful example. So he can handle everything. Now where Rahu?
Now it is in 6,000 Taurus.
6th house in Taurus. Rahu is in Taurus and Rahu is in friendly sign. Taurus. Venus ruled by. And in 6th house means super. He can also go for some productions like computer type. So here what inclination shows, the person is very fond of some machinery, mechanical, even photography, whatever. So he can fast perception. His perception is very fast. So otherwise I can say more clever in the practical than the theory. Because all planets are in, and he is also in detail oriented also. Because both are in detail. So he is not listening to whatever given in the books. He will find out further more from the computer, other books and all these things. And then he gather informations and then they will do. So both the way it is the same from Lagna and from Numero. Both are it is coming same interpretations. Now you see full Kundi. Full. Now we will see what is the Lord, sublord of the 4th house. Of 4th house. We will go now KP. Sublord of 4th house. Venus. And where Venus is placed?
Venus is in 11th house in Libra.
See, again, old sign. 11th house in Libra, Venus. And what is the sublord of 9th house?
Lord of 9th house is Rahu.
Rahu. And Rahu is in 6th house with
Rahu is 6th house only alone. Alone. Taurus.
Taurus. In Taurus. 6th house, 1 minute. 6th house means, why I take 9th house? Because 9,
Ascendant is Scorpio. Ascendant is Scorpio.
ascendant I am not talking about. I am 4th and 9th. Huh?
7th is Taurus. Ascendant is Scorpio, 7th is Taurus, not 6th.
Not 6. See, that is I always tell.
Cusp is Aries, but it is Taurus.
Taurus. Because see, sometimes that is right. I have understood 6 and 7th guy. Okay, okay, no problem. Very nice, Rahu. I am telling you. Because why I am telling you, Venus and Rahu both are very strong. Here what happened in 6 means this person can go also, and Venus, you know, Venus is a creativity. Taurus is also in the Venus, so both are creativity. I don't have to go in the nakshatra also, but then also I would like to go for the nakshatra. Venus nakshatra. Venus and Rahu, I want both nakshatras.
Venus, Venus.
creativity is work. Otherwise, web designing, any software. Otherwise, he can also go for hotel business. Why? Second house is what? Ninth house, but which planet? Second house, any planet is there?
Yeah, Neptune.
Neptune is there.
Neptune is there.
In Sagittarius.
In Sagittarius.
Neptune in Capricorn.
There is Sagittarius.
Capricorn.
Capricorn is there.
So the third house which?
Sagittarius now.
Our house is Capricorn.
Yeah, Capricorn is in third house.
Yes, yes.
So it is in Sagi.
Yeah, it is in 14 degree, 48 minutes.
Ha.
So it will come to
That I saw.
Capricorn.
That doesn't make any differences. But I am telling, Venus, creativity, more creativity right now in hotel business, events management, like that also, or otherwise he can go for the software. Two lines are there. This person and this person excel in this field. And this all are reflected by here also. And he will go for the abroad study. We can send him out of India. Because moon is also in 9th house. And 12th lord is what? 12th sign is which?
well sign
Libra.
yes. Libra.
So Venus. I told you. Venus. 12th house Venus. And Venus is strong. So he can go either creativity, web designing, computer field or okay. So one chart you can come to know they both are coming same. Okay. 1 minute इतनी देर में मैं जरा भी लोगों को देख लूँ second